as Bitcoin has been pumping for the last couple of days, do we have the juice to keep going, or are we gonna be left thirsty for more? Stay tuned to find out. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto, Stocks, and You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we're going to talk about, importantly, about what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. As always, you guys know that these are what drives the market. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. Our predictions have come true time and time again. Video evidence is in the channel. Guys, so let's get right into it. We're going to talk about what this block here means and what it means for Bitcoin, what it means for us. And we're going to talk about the same thing with Ethereum. These blocks here, what do they mean for Ethereum? What do they mean for us? And we're going to get into that right now, okay? So we're going to start off with Bitcoin, guys. Check it out. So this has been like Bitcoin's price action in the past. Like this was basically these two moves. This whole block here represents the move that happened from 2021 to about what's going on now. And if you could see, there's some similarities here and some points of resistance and support that we need to break above in order to keep going pumping for the next leg up. And as you guys could see here, for the most part, we've been traveling within this block, within this channel that I created here for the past couple of weeks. And that's really what happened as well with Ethereum. I mean, really, you could say that this entire move was right there. And it was actually even longer the last time. It went from May till about July, which was that summer low drop, and then it started to move up. And right now we really haven't been in that move as long as we were last time. It started off really, I mean, the major drop started off in November, but we've only been in the low part of the drop since January, and then we've been kind of trending up, and now we're kind of starting to break out again. So, guys, as you can see right here, look at these areas right there. Sorry, I can't draw circles. There you go. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right here, and right here. There's so much support and resistance coming in right there, guys, that it just seems like that's going to be the next thing to break. So to me, the next point of break is 44,500. And once we start printing candles above here, then we have this entire block to get through right here. This whole block, this whole section right there is what we need to get across. And that is going to bring us into the range of 52,000. So for me, once we break around 44,500, the next block range that we're going to be battling is going to be the 52,000. After you break the 52,000, you break into the previous structure, then it's about up to the all-time high again. So it's kind of like a stepping ladder, guys. We need to get above the part of the stepping ladder where we're at now to step on another part of the stepping ladder and then keep going. Needless to say, guys, the implied volatility is starting to drop. This is implied volatility again. It spiked up basically the last time we pumped. It went high up because there's so much volatility, so much movement, and now it's kind of starting to drop. And same thing with the momentum, guys. We had a huge spike in. Oops, I hate it when that happens. Sorry about that, guys. We had a huge spike in momentum right here, basically when the price was low, and then boom, the price went up, shot up, and now we are kind of starting to diminish in the momentum. Obviously, you guys have seen that we're not going to 50,000. We've kind of reached the level of momentum where it was like, okay, we need to get a rest now, retest, and then keep going up, guys. And I mean, I've been saying that. I'm gonna keep saying that. We do need to retest some of the prior lower points of support in order to keep going for the next phase up. Ow, I just hit myself. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what I see happening, guys. That's just my personal opinion, of course. But I mean, yeah, we really, if we can't break above 44,500 and print candles above it, to me, it's likelier than not that we're obviously gonna get some retests. There's no way around not getting a retest, guys. There's just no way around it. You know, a Bitcoin can't stay at above at 70 RSI forever. It just can't. It's eventually we're gonna have to come back and retest some of the lower price levels, which really we've been solidly staying above right here, guys. This is kind of crazy. Obviously, this overall it still needs to come down in order to retest and confirm that we're in a solid uptrend, to confirm the strength of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then to me, that means we can keep going up for the next leg. So eventually we are going to need to test lower price levels. It's just no way around it. And where that's going to land, who knows? It could be around 40,000, could be the $38,000 range, and then keep going up. I mean, I'm going to say that over and over and over and over, because I know that's what's going to happen, guys. I just know it. So and I'm not saying like I can see the future. I'm just saying like I can just, the way the charts work, that just tells me that is what will eventually happen, guys. So, same freaking thing with Ethereum. As you guys could see, this was the last time we had a drop. You know, we battled in this area right here, very similar of what's going on, guys. I mean, with this little area right there, this little area right there. So to me, there was a lot of support right there. I'm sorry, a lot of resistance. We got rejected here, rejected there, and then that eventually kind of became some support. And then, you know, we got up, and then we came back down. And then right here, see all this resistance eventually became support right here, and then we shot up to the next price level. And right here we're finding the same resistance, guys. I mean, it's no coincidence that that's the same resistance as it was the very last time. So that's kind of where we're at right now. And for me, the next point of once we break around 33,500 and 3,350, that's kind of, sorry, that's what we need to break. And then after that, we could probably go for the next leg, which would be the next part, which would be around the $4,000 range. Then you battle that block of price actions that we need to break above. And same thing, Ethereum, I mean, the momentum kind of diminished, and now we're getting a little bit momentum again. I mean, could this turn into this, like a replica, kind of like it did here? That's a possibility. We could keep going up. So we have yet to see what happens, guys. But to me, once we start breaking out of this block, this channel, and print candles above it with a reset of momentum and volatility, that is what would confirm for me a solid uptrend. Because right now, same thing, we're at 75 overbought on the 4-hour. Guys, we need to eventually come down, retest lower price action, so we can confirm that we are on a strong uptrend, not just gonna fizzle all the way back down to 2,200 or whatever, and, you know, 30,000 for Bitcoin or 33,000. That's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get it out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.